Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. How to do, hope everybody good. I'm a know enough on Africans today, Friday, and the weekend begins. Yes, I'm on a good spirit. And for who now work over the weekend, but no one I put on myself now, I go on with beer things because I can't stay in bed late tomorrow and I can't sit down with on foot up all day and beer things. Yes, my love. So before I get down in the video, I have a favor to ask you guys. So, you know, the latest, everybody familiar with the latest. I don't know, we love the latest and all these things. So she have some issues with YouTube on our main channel, right? Where she wake up this morning and receive an email. And them type of email there, you know, when we see them the email, they stress we write out, you know. It's stress we write out when we see them the email there. But the thing is now, the same thing reached me, you know, a year ago. And, you know, me do my appeal and all these things. And within 2 or 3 days, YouTube responded and my thing was up and running again. Yeah, but with YouTube now, you know, them so unpredictable, you can't too study YouTube. So it's basically a 50-50 chance. Right, but latest did her part and she sending what we sending to YouTube already. So she's now basically waiting on a response from them. Right, so we're not sure what the turnout are gonna be like. So in the meantime, you know, she have our backup channel. May I ask you guys to please subscribe to me? I go place the link in the comment section, and it's also in my community. Right, so may I ask you know if you just click on the link, subscribe to the channel, because she try reach to 1,000 subscribers are over by tonight, the latest. You understand? Yes. So we are trying to get her up to the 1,000 subscribers. And she wants some watch hours as well. So as soon as you see the live or any notification, you just support it, right? Forget her to the watch hours. So right now she need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm not sure how much watch hours she have already. But if we not watch the videos, she not gonna get the watch hours. So we have to watch the videos then when she upload it. When she come on our live, we have to stay on the live and watch out the live stream. All right, in order for the watch hours can add up. Yeah, so we're just here for support. Yeah, I'm gonna know say Uno go come out for the latest. Right, so let me get down in the video now. Make her get down into the video now, my loves. So my dear children between me, I don't know. What are we if you have Lor Lor now back down? My loves, what are we if you have Lor Lor now back down and she deciding that she's going to stand up to Andre? Me say my loves. She come out and stunting yesterday for Andre Baba. She come out and stunting in a full rage. So me know all I wanna know by now say, you know, Andre did come out the other night, come address her because she does spread some whole heap of propaganda now for Auntie Claudette. Yes, because she have yes know that Auntie Claudette. Yes, my love, uno come round and gather around Babaka people business. We are chat when I one day here, we are chat them business, my love. So now she has spread propaganda out here, say, Auntie Claudette sacrifice her daughter. And them sinting that she has similar. And I chat up a whole bag of Sinti. Yes, Baba. And he reached back to Andre now. And Andre deciding that him not going to have it. You understand? He's not having it. Yes, my dear children. So even though Auntie Claudette did tell Andre, say nobody come address it. Knowing Andre, him may not go swallow that like that. You understand me, my love? So Andre come out for her, Baba. And Andre class her, call her all kind of name. Anyway, she come out, my dear children, big bad and bowl. Yes, Baba. She come out here, big bad and bowl for Andre. Start cuss Andre and class him up and dog him up. But Lor, Lor, my granny always say you know. I know the same day leaf got water but me rotten. So I don't know who she have behind the screen. Her boots are up, you know me love, but obviously she get some boots up. They don't know say. She call Andre yesterday on her live stream. Hey, Me love, she take show off call Andre yesterday on her live stream. Cause a bad, she claims that she bad now, you know me loves. Even though in one of the live, she says she a bad girl. Bad girl, me dear. But Lord, Lord, remember this. Remember this, Lord, Lord. Remember this today, you mark the day, show off. Bring this grace. You hear me, Lord, Lord? Show off. Bring this grace. So you tande. You tande. Tande de lolo, make them boots you up. Remember say, are you out here with the platform? The rest of them, they behind closed doors, well hidden. You can easily be found. So you tande de and make them boots you up, Lord. Boy, a bad girl. Yes, so she come out here, say she approve that she not afraid of Andre. Yes, my love, that she come out here, condo, say she approve. She approve it to her people, them say she not afraid of Andre. At one at the time, you know, my loves, one pint at the time, me I say, she not go show out her head. Me not think she brave enough to show out her head. But when me look into it, me I say, with them, people out here, them want to prove. Them want to prove, so them rather come out here, come make an answer themselves. Them rather come make an answer themselves than to sit them behind, hold on, and keep them kin quiet. So that she did. She came out, say she approved, say she not afraid of Andre. So, all right, Lord, Lord, we get the point, Lord, Lord, that you are not afraid. You are not afraid, ma'am, because say that you are nanny half the maroon. Let me tell you, my dear children, she take hypeness. Call Andrea answer him phone. Andrea did answer, my love. So first, she call him and that this guy's attack, say she want donate money to the GoFundMe to make the girl Lor Lor jealous. And that she said to him. But listening to Andre, how him did, a respond, him did sound like him suspect. Him did sound suspicious. So when she asked Andre now for the GoFundMe link, Andre told her that it is on his platform. So she proceeded now to start questioning him. But when doctor did say on him live, so Andre hang up him phone. Because Andre suspected that it was her. So Andre hung up him phone. So she come off of the live a kiki and a cackle like when fall lay my love. I guess she didn't expect an outburst from Andre. She didn't expect say Andre I go cuss her off on the phone. But everybody know that Andre is very professional and him not have time for foolishness. Him know how to conduct himself. But like I said, it was obvious that him know say a Lor Lor upon the phone because he mentioned her name. And everybody could have tell say a Lor Lor. Everybody could have tell say a Lor Lor because Lor Lor can't even form a sentence. Lor Lor can't even form a proper sentence. So all if you can't read, you can't see or you can't hear good just by listening. You can pick up the voice. Just by the whole heap of mumble, jumble when she try to come up with a good sentence, you can pick up that it was Lor Lor. But Lor Lor, if you say, remember say Andre said that him have a pyro for you. You forgot same tell us him have a pyro for you. Lor Lor, I know the pyro in the tin is not the one in the tin, so be careful, Lor Lor. Don't make them push you. Don't make them boots you up, my love. Because at the end of the day, are you alone that go get the backlash pyro in your backside? None of them man go out here to help you take your pyro, my love. So my love, she decide to continue play with fire. She said she not backing down. She not back down. So she decide to continue play with fire. Lor Lor, you play with fire, you are going to get burned. Nobody not tell us so you feel afraid of Andre, but use wisdom because the things them where you say out here, Lor Lor, the things them what you're saying out here. Me not tell you to use no wisdom here, and me not tell you to back down. Continue, Lor Lor, continue. Me want you continue, Lor Lor, continue, Lor Lor. Don't stop, Lor Lor. Do not stop. Yeah, you would just say driver, don't stop at all. Lor Lor, don't stop. Don't stop, Lor Lor. Continue on to mess with the people. Them continue on to spread the propaganda them out here, Lor Lor. Continue, don't stop. For our sweet nanny goat I go running blasted goat. Then one of the things where shock me now, me love. One of the things where shock me then, uno couldn't tell me say Lor Lor a pathologist out here. Uno couldn't tell me say Lor Lor a pathologist too. For me here, Lor say she got medical school. Lor say if them put her in the room when the autopsy is being done, she can look and tell what's the cause of death. She can look and tell what caused Auntie Claudia's daughter death, my love. Then uno couldn't tell me say Lor Lor a pathologist. Uno couldn't tell me say Lor Lor they turn pathologist out here. First news to me. As much dopey they out there in a mag where them can't get fi do no autopsy. Them have to wait how long? All months fi do the autopsy. All Lor Lor they sit down and do nothing. No man, no man, no, 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 Lor Lor. Me can't believe you all no Lor Lor. Me can't believe you Lor Lor. Because you know Jamaica is in demand. And you can do a tapsy and sit down with it. No Lor Lor. Mm-mm. No Lor Lor. Just stay bad. Just stay bad, Lor. Anyways, my dear children, as I was saying, she decides that she's going into a battle with Andre, my love. And Lord, when you feel for understand, I know just Andre you battle with Kaim one, him tell us him have him dogs them. Him tell you that him have him dogs them. He have big dog, little dog. He have pedigree and he have non-pedigree. He have all kind of dog. From Shih Tzu, Doberman, Rottweiler, the whole of them. So I don't know how you are going to manage the whole of them, the dogs there. Now you all a start for cause the man sickness. Start for cause the man sickness. I tell the man say my behind man. I call the man scammer. I call the man madman. Lolo, you're wrong for this. And the thing with you, you're wrong and strong. That's the thing with you, Lolo. You're wrong and strong. You might have cackle now, my love. And I laugh. But when you think of peace and safety, a sudden destruction. Me tell you, say you mess with the wrong smarty them and you not believe. You not take it serious. And me say, Auntie Bob, him unite with you, not toe to toe. Auntie Bob unite with you, head to head, neck to neck. But Auntie Bob, but Mass Auntie Bob, are you willing to stand with Lor? Are you willing to stand with Lor on that day when the roll is called up yonder, sir? Auntie Bob? And one thing do you know, my loves? And one thing when it come to Mass Auntie Bob, him not left Lor Lor. Him not left Lor Lor a backside. Him a come help Lor Lor fight. Him a come help Lor Lor fight and help boots up Lor Lor too. But as me say already, I go say again, for all who are boots Lor Lor, I hope you go stand with Lor Lor. You understand? I hope you go stand with Lor Lor when that mouth of Lor Lor should up in a one behind wall where she can't come out, where she go lock up in and can't come out. You no matter how no try if it draw her out, at same place that she got on. Yes, so maybe when you did do that call there and call Andre, you feel like say Andre did I go trace you off and them they something they pan the life. Andre now do all of them there's something there. Andre now do all of them there's something there, Lor Lor. Him know how to handle you. So you coming out here and scream out your throat hole. I scream out the whole of your throat hole. That no prove no farmer badness. That no prove no farmer badness, Lor Lor. What you did a basically come out here and make an answer yourself. That's all. That's all. Me love all the man mama ain't flinging it, Yes, me dear children tell him about him mama. She tell him say I mama the harlot. She tell him say I mama the harlot. Cause him say she a harlot and she a Jezebel spirit. And she a crowbait. She a grasmite. She a tootsie. Me never know what tootsie is, but somebody tell me say tootsie a cockroach, my love. Yeah, him call her all kind of name. So she come back and tell him say, him mama a the harlot, my love. All poor Andrew Holness when I have nothing to do with it. All poor Andrew Holness when I have nothing to do with it, my love. She fling in it. She fling the Mr. Prime Minister man in a hit. And she go dig up the Noel Maitland store, my love. I fling Noel Maitland and Donnelly in a hit. And remember, you know, this no have nothing to do with them. This no have a thing to do with them. And Lord go mess with the people them. And the people they respond to her. And she come out now and diss up the man. But continue fight for your justice, Lord. Continue fight for your justice. You are one patient woman. You is one patient woman because over 6 years now you claim say you fight against corruption and charity scamming and all these things where you say. Over 6 years now, you're charity police, you're charity detective. You say you're fighting corruption and as soon 7 years and I'll know you not bring nobody to justice. And I'll know you not bring nobody to justice. All I know you not bring a soul to justice and you've been fighting all these years. You've been fighting all these years. You say you have all these proof. Where the proof them the Lord, how you not send them in? You have all these proof, how you not send them in? By now the lady should have been arrested. By now the lady should have been behind bars, don't it? You don't think so? A whole heap of fight to know a fight, And all I know. And between me and you, Lor Lor. Between me and you, Lor Lor, and you really want to come out here and answer Andre, You come here, you really want to come out here for answer Andre. You never really want to come. But you just don't want to look like you're afraid. Me know. Meanwhile, you just don't want to look like you're afraid. Because you already put it out here, say you're bull, because you're dopey conqueror, you're big bad and bold. So you don't want to look like I say you're afraid. So that are the only reason why you come out here say you go and Sandra. And the only reason for hear you know. Hear you know, Lolo. So that are the only video you are going to respond to. And that you say no. So you now come back out here at the only time you are going to come out there. So how you been out here for done over 6 years? That are the big question, Lolo. How you been out here for done over 6 years and at one video you claim say you can do about Andre? And you claim say them a scam and them a thief and all these things. Eh? So how only one video you decide for the Lor Lor? Make it make sense. Lor Lor, you're afraid. Lor Lor, you're nervous. Lor Lor, you're coward. You just take big heart and come out, Lor Lor. But no, say you just take big heart and come out. You make them push you out here. Who push you out here, Lor Lor? Who push you out like who push you out here? You did afraid, don't it? Talk it through, Lor Lor. You're never afraid. It's like you sit down and you listen and you say, no man. Me can't chicken out now, you know. Me can't make him come out here and intimidate me. Me have to say something. Me have to say something. And as much as me need them a wobble, me have to come out here and say something. That's why you say the first come when you come out, that's why you come out in so much anger and so much rage. Because as you say, you want proof, say you're a bad girl. If you never coward, you wouldn't come out so strong. You'd have just come and do your normal show and talk. I say what you say, but you come out say you're a trace. So approve to the people them as you say. But you did afraid. You not tell me nothing, you're afraid. But as I said before, I not tell you if you back out, Lor Lor, and I not tell you if you sit back. Don't back down. Don't back down, Lor Lor. Push your fire, Lor Lor. Push your fire. You're a bad girl. Don't back out, Lor Lor. Blaze your fire, Capleton. Blaze your fire, mama. Because me know you're going to get sitting up under your behind. Me know you're going to get sitting under your behind. You know, Lor Lor. I know you're going to get something under your behind. And me want to see you get it. Me nah lie. Me want to see you get it. So no stop. Cause him man in noon and night, Lor. Ride him like a jockey, Lor. Don't ease up. Cause every day you come out here, you want lawsuit. Tell them to come sue me. Tell them to come sue me. Cause me no need no liar, me can't talk for myself. Tell them to call sue me, tell them to drop the lawsuit. Drop the lawsuit. You just might get it. You just might get it, Lor Lor. Maybe this is the moment that you're waiting for. When somebody go cool your backside out here, when somebody go quiet you. When somebody is going to humble you. So nobody take heed here, Lor. Nobody take heed. No listen to that girl here. No listen to me. No take no heed. Don't take no heed whatsoever. Continue do your police work here, my love. Don't make me discourage you or make anybody else discourage you from doing your police work, ma'am. Continue to do your police work. You understand me? Take down them lasted charity them and they go for me, Lor Lor. Cause you big bad and bold like that. Yeah, you can't take them down. Take them down, Lor Lor. Me want have a field day out here. I want to have a field day out here with you when the partner draw massive come for your Kakafawt. Yeah, man, may the best one win. May the best one win. For me to know how you want so brave. How you want so brave. But go on with yourself, mama. I'll be out here waiting. Yeah, waiting to see the outcome of this one. So go on. Go on to your police and your detective work. Yeah, me tell you already. What sweet na the goat and go run in blasted goat. Yes, my love. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet. Touch that like button. Show a girl some love. Show a girl some support. Alright, and remember the latest backup channel. I'm going to put the link in my comments there. So remember, we are trying to reach to 1,000 subscribers by tonight, right? And she have our watch hours I go work on. So remember, go over there, watch the live stream, watch the videos and help our watch hours for add up. You understand? Because we're basically out here for support and help build each other. All right. So yeah, thank you all again. And big up and bless upon yourselves, in another video. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye. Later.